Hi fellow soulmates, in this illustration, I'll be teaching you how to draft this three-piece corset cup you're seeing on your screen and how to do your bust cage on it. So firstly, we take ourselves to the pattern drafting. I'll place my under bust measurement on the starting line, which is 13.5. Then I'll mark my bust points measurement, which is 10 inches. Then I'll connect the line with a straight ruler, just as you're seeing on your screen. Then the next thing I'll be doing from that bust point line, I'll go up by 3.5 inches because I want the corset cup to cover up. So I'll go up by 3.5 inches. You can use 3 or 3.5. It depends on how you want your corset cup to be covered. Then the next thing I will mark is my nipple to nipple measurement. My nipple to nipple measurement is 8 divided by 2, which gives me 4 inches. So I'll connect with a straight line. And I also mark 4 inches from that line again. I'll mark 4 inches. So if you're a busted person, you can just add half an inch to your nipple to nipple measurement. Then the next thing I will do after that is to mark 1 inch round. But before then, I'll label it so that you guys can see, so I will not confuse you guys. So one part will be my center front and the other part will be my side front, which you're seeing on your screen. Then next thing I'll be doing is to mark 1 inch on each side, just 1 inch round. I'll just mark it down. I'm not connecting yet. Then for my under bust tightening, I'll be doing my under bust tightening. I'll be going in by 1.25 on both sides, and I'll connect with my curve ruler, just as you're seeing on your screen. So after connecting like so, I'll also for the side part, I'll go in by 1 inch and come down by 1 inch. I'll go up by 1 inch, come down by 1 inch. Just follow up what I'm doing. Just be patient and follow up what I'm doing. So I'll do the same thing at the side front also and connect it with my straight ruler this time around, just like so. Then after that, I'll take the curve and just curve it down to my underbust measurement to give us the cup for the down part. Okay, then I'll label it as the center front and side front. Then the next thing to do the upper part. So for the upper part, I will do my tightening. I'll go in by 0.25 on both sides. Okay, 0.25 on both sides. Then next thing again, for the center front, I'll come down by half of an inch and connect to the 0.25. Then for the side front, I'll go up by 0.5 and also connect it to the 0.25, just as you've seen on the screen. So I'll label it as center front, side front, center front 3 and side front 3, center front 3 and side front 4. So I will take my scissors and cut all through. It's a simple tutorial, it's a simple illustration. You don't have to be confused, so I'm trying to make it easier. So next thing I did is to put my arrow and indicate where I'll be joining, because I observed that the down part of the curve almost look alike, so I don't want to get myself confused on it. Okay, so after that, I'll take my paper tape and tape down this upper part to give us one piece. Okay, remember we are doing three-piece cup. So next thing I'll do, I'll just place it down so you guys can see it before we cut on our fabric. All right, so now I've gone ahead to cut on the fabric. I've added half of an inch on every side of my fabric. Then I'll be using my stay, and also I've cut two pieces because I'm just doing one illustration, so I'm just trying to cut it on two sides. So after that, I'll take it to my machine and join them together. So this meal, I'm just trying to make this video not too long so that you guys can understand it. So I'm just joining the upper part of it to the down part of the cup to give us our three-piece cup. So after joining, I will show you guys how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So the next thing I'll be doing is to draw my bust caging line. So I've drawn the bust cage. So I'm doing a crisscross bust cage here, and I'm using my Regilin bony on it. So I observed while doing this, I observed that my Regilin bony was not enough, so I just decided to do a crisscross bust cage. And at the end of the day, I really love how it came out. It came out well. Okay. So you should not think that, oh, you're not following the lines. Yes, I'm not following the line because I observed that the Regina bone that was remaining was not enough for me. But nevertheless, what I still have to do it. So I went ahead to use my hairstay to cover up after doing the bust cage. Then I'll place the main fabric on it and sew at the upper parts. Then after sewing at the upper parts, I will use my scissors to trim out the excess so I can able to flip it over. And next thing, I went to my iron table to iron, and this was what it gives me. And there is the final result of it. So I hope you understand. If you don't understand, just watch over again and again. You will get it. It's a simple illustration. I'm trying to make this video short because the video is very long. So do well to like, share. If you have any question, place on the comment section. I'll be there to reply you. Okay. So this is one of the illustration I did. Thanks for watching. Bye.